If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first scroll over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. I just want to let you guys know that I will be out of town starting in a few hours, so maybe, well, definitely I won't be posting a video later on today or Friday, but maybe Saturday afternoon and possibly definitely Sunday I'll be back and we could start the videos back up. And another thing is that, again, please guys leave a comment down below. I don't care what it is. I just like to hear you guys' opinions and feedback. So let's take a look at BABA. You can see the market is currently open and is trending down, which is okay. It doesn't look super bearish right now. We were due for a pullback, and if we get the pullback in a form of two legs, so this was the first leg down right here, and this could be the second leg right here, then if we find any support at the 105 106 level, that could be very bullish and that could lead to a massive rally up, another impulse higher, because we had an impulse. Now we're seeing the correction phase. So if we get the second impulse after the correction phase is over, where can we go? We can reach the 155 level, which is also nice because there's a huge gap over here that has not been filled. It's at the 161 level. So BABA is setting up to be bullish. It's not really bearish right now. We're just pulling back in the market. You can see that we are still finding support on the bottom side of this range after a failed breakout. So we could get a double test of the bottom side of the range. This was the first test right here. We could be coming back down a little bit lower than the previous low and stop out the longs who were entered here and trap in shorts before continuing higher. The market likes to stop out people before continuing higher or lower. It does not like other people to make money. So we could see a stop out for these longs with a stop loss below the swing. Probably come back to fill in this gap right here at the 108 level. And once we drop down to the 108 105 level, we need to see buyers step in the market. And then if a buyer step in the market, we're going to probably continue much higher. Now if we don't see buyers step in the market, well, you guys probably know where we're going. There's still a long way down, still a bunch of gaps that could be filled at the 103 level and even the $76 level. So still a lot of gaps that could be filled, and we could even make a new all-time low. So BABA needs to find some type of support here because we're back above the EMA. We're back inside the support side of the range, and we just had a nice impulse up. If this correction plays out like I think it can, we could see another leg up, and that would be my target. So everything looking good right now, nothing really bearish as right now. The price is still bullish. So let's take a look at the overall pattern, and this is the downtrend that I've been showing you guys for several months now. It's important to see the major pattern because this has a large influence on the price. So let me connect the swings a little bit better. So that fits pretty good right there. Let me zoom in on the chart. So this is the major downtrend pattern that Alibaba has been inside of since November of 2020, and we've been going down ever since. So what is different now is that we are on the opposite side of the midline. You can see that this dashed line is the midline of the channel, and before we were getting rejected every time we came near it and prices were sent lower. Now prices broke through it, we bounced off of it, we went up, and now we could be potentially bouncing off it again. So that would be very bullish and we could lead to higher prices. So this midline looks like it's acting as support now, and that could be sending prices up. So looking pretty good right now. Again, it just all depends on if we see buyers step in the market around that maybe 107, probably even the 105 level at the lowest. I would say maybe the 104. We'll have to wait and see, but everything's looking pretty good right now. I'm looking for another impulse up after this correction stops. If we start going much lower than anticipated, then we're gonna start filling these gaps on the downside. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for BABA. Again, we're still getting rejected from the EMA. We have not been above it since I believe February or March of 2021. We're still getting rejected by the EMA, but that's not going to hold all the time. So we're finding temporary resistance. So I think now or very soon we will probably break through that EMA if prices continue higher. We were consolidating for several months. We had a fail break lower, which could lead to a fail breakout on the top side or a breakout on the top side. So we're finding temporary resistance for the EMA, but I'm anticipating a pullback before higher prices. So that's everything I have for BABA. I'll give you guys an update next Friday, and hopefully I'll start making more videos maybe Saturday afternoon or Sunday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. And lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.